guys, in Vincenzo. In today's video, we are going to be opening up a Brilliant Stars, a collector's chest. So let's get right into it. We're gonna open this up here. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the code card.
See that there?
And put our packs right here for now.
See our packs.
Later, we have a Oshawott Hollow. A Cyndaquil Hollow and a Rowlet Hollow. And we have a nice Arceus coin.
So how do you put this back? So how do you put this back?
Oh, alright. And then we have stickers.
In case we want to decorate,
We have a little booklet that
They-
you can draw in.
you can draw Pokemon.
You
can
have
draw
a little
binder.
Yeah, a little binder. And that's it. So we're going to show you guys the packs that you get. So you get 1 Brilliant Stars.
Yay!
No. Alright, so ready? You get 3 Fusion Strike and 2 Fusion and 2 Brilliant Stars. So you get these two. I get these two. Alright, so I'm gonna open up mine first. I'm gonna start with Fusion Strike and then we're gonna end with Brilliant Stars. So Energy.
Oh.
Battle VIP.
Oh.
Tokyo
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Mudkip.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Caterpie. Pico.
Eevee.
Shelter.
And ooh.
Oh, a Rillaboom.
I know you're gonna get something because I saw some black.
Okay. Don't have any sleeves, but I have my binder, so
Yes, but so
Put
you can
that in.
put them there.
yeah. Alright, your turn.
Here.
Put this on. Alright.
So I need to open up this.
Brilliant Stars, okay.
Brilliant Stars. With that Fusion Strike for last.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Code card.
Two, 3, 4. Energy. Double Turbo Energy. Probopass. Piplup. Magmar. Staryu. Burmy. Cherubi. Dedenne and Wormard. I don't know.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. Fusion Strike.
We both have Fusion Strike.
Energy. Darkrai. Papara. Shelter. Voltorb. Pansage. Tufan. Liger. Diggersby and a Blissey non-hard.
Blissey.
Blissey.
Blissey. Blissey.
Alright.
Okay, let's grab the red card.
Okay, here's your
Shake. For the oh no! The phone! No! No! The phone!
There.
The phone!
I dropped my phone. Alright,
Okay,
Fusion.
Fusion Strike. Fusion Strike. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, come on.
Strike. Please get me something. Please. I want me to get all the fun, not Shenzo. Ah! Yeah!
What if we both get rares? That'll be fair, right?
Yeah! Not fair. Ah! I might. Okay. Finally.
Yeah,
got-
finally.
Finally, I got it to open.
Okay. Code card.
Code card. So bad.
Oh. So yeah. Energy. Move your fingers a little. Alright, Pangru. Graplocked. Oh my gosh. Graplocked. Diggersby. Plusle. Muna. Meowth. Meryl. Helpatone. Corviknight and Starmie Hollow. Alright, there's a card down here. There. Alright, here we go. Last pack magic.
Why do you have to get all the fun?
Last pack magic.
Why do you get to have all the fun?
I don't know.
This time you get all the fun.
I'm not gonna look at the good card.
Oh, your rings are on here.
Oh. Whoa.
Is it upside down?
No. Whoa.
What?
Nothing.
Do you see anything?
Yes, I saw it.
Oh my gosh.
I saw the code card.
There.
Oh.
Energy.
You're definitely gonna pull something.
I need to put these in
Just
there.
tell you're gonna pull something.
Alright. Blunder Policy. Luxio.
Oh my
Hitmonchan.
god.
Bidoof. Electabuzz. Kaneko. Hitmontop and
Ooh.
a Raikou V.
See?
I
Told ya.
Alright.
So 2 stars of the day.
2 Vs.
Yeah, 2 V's
Alright,
of the
so
day.
that is going to be
it for today's video.
Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Pretty soon, I'm going to be opening up Cleveland V-Star. I think it's in July, so yeah, stay tuned for that.
July.
So
It's July 16th.
yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.